It's the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Sugar Daddy. Y'all, like, when I put this on, like, I don't know what it is about highlighters, but this shit got me like, damn. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I can imagine this mixed with the Conceited one. Oh my god. Y'all, I'll have to try that one day, and I make sure I put that on a tutorial because goddamn, I'm in love with this highlighter. Hi guys, my name is Kaya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you aren't new, what's up? You already know what it is. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I got this look. This cute little gold purple look. I'm really feeling it. I used two different palettes to create this look. I used the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette. This is the deluxe edition. And then I also used the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. So that's how I got today's look. I used a lot of the gold, pink, a lot of shimmer colors, and a lot of purple. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned and let's get to the tutorial.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Told my boss that I'm done, had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth, maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running. Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth, maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running. Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you thumbs up the video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.